In this video, I'm going to walk you through creating a professional email signature using Canva. Your email signature not only adds a personal touch, but also helps to establish your brand identity, and Canva makes it incredibly easy. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is open Canva and type email signature in the search bar. There you'll find ready-to-made templates that you can customize to fit your style and branding. Select a template that resonates with your brand from elegant to modern, because guess what, there's something for everyone and you can go ahead and customize it. However, in this video I am showing you how you can create your very own email signature that is unique to your brand. One of the first things I do is to always choose the colors from my brand using the guideline of the brand kit, and utilizing the brand kit is where you can just add your colors, your own fonts, and your logo that is relevant for your brand and helps you to stay cohesive when you're creating any design in Canva. So pretty much I've utilized a gradient as a background, and what the gradient does, it just had a nice dynamics to the design. And then I'm going to add my photo and every other element that I believe is relevant to creating an email signature. In this case, I'll be adding my name, title, and some contact details and ways my contact can reach out to me. One of the things I like is the fact that I can just play around with the different elements available in Canva. And in this case, I am pulling in my text. And again, the text that I'm using is from my very own brand. It's the font that I always utilize. So it's not a case where 1 week I'm using a particular type of font and then the other week I'm changing my font, right? It's not that type of game, right? It's not that type of flow. And like I said, your brand kit helps you to stay on track and to create cohesive designs. So quick tip: if you want to get a better idea of how you can create your email signature, the first thing is to bear in mind, keep it concise. Your email signature should be clear and to the point. And like I said, you can include your name, your title, contact information, and you want to avoid cluttering it with excessive details. We don't need that, right? One of the things I always utilize when creating my designs is using margins. So with the margins, it helps me to stay in a line, like follow the alignment of my design, so my graphics or my text isn't falling off the page or it won't get cut off, right? So I like to use the margins as a guideline. All right, in terms of other tips for creating your email signature, include essential contact information. As you keep watching the video, you'll realize that I add those things on my email signature graphic, right? So you want to include maybe a link to your website, and if you're active on social media, which I hope you are, especially being that you're building your online presence, then of course you want to include that. And consider adding icons to help link to your profiles, and you'll see me do that in just a few. Right now what I'm doing is pretty much playing with the layout and the look and feel of my different text. Of course, my name is going to be bigger. I want that to stand out. Then I'm going to make the title of my text a little smaller. If, for instance, you already have a design that you have created for your brand that is again cohesive, you can go to the tab on Canva that says project, scroll for a design that you have already created, and you can pull that design into your new design, right? Hope that makes sense, right? So what I've done is to pretty much make my design process a much, like, not a little easier, but much easier. And I pull in those elements and then I'm going to drag and drop. And that's the powerful thing about Canva. You can drag and drop and move elements so easily and effortlessly. Okay, another tip in creating your email signature: choose the right font. I mentioned that a little earlier. Choose the font that is readable and aligns with your branding, right? I'm just mentioned that. Ensure it aligns with your branding. Avoid decorative fonts that may be hard to read on different devices. So that's something I'm bearing in mind. Here you're seeing me drop in this unique, abstract, element, and I'm going to place it behind my photo just to add some dynamics and the fun to my email signature. Because for me, I like when my designs look unique. I don't want it to look like the other templates in Canva, and that's something you have to do. What if you're going to use a template, ensure you customize it. And if you're creating from scratch, listen, just add your own flavor and make it fun. Another tip in terms of creating your email signature is to maintain consistency. Listen, that's where we have the brand kit. The brand kit helps you to maintain consistency in creating your designs. So ensure that your email signature aligns with your brand colors, fonts, and overall style. So if at any point you visit my website at careydigital.co, then of course you'll realize that the look and feel of my email signature also matches my website, right? So there's no missing points. Pretty much I am on brand. I'm ensuring that I am staying on brand. Another key tip is to add a professional photo. If you're comfortable, you can consider adding a professional headshot just like I did, because it adds a personal touch and helps your contact to put a face to the name, especially if you're always emailing persons and you're in that field where you really want to make that personable connection. Another tip is to include a call to action. So you can encourage your contact to take action. For example, you can say, hey, schedule a consultation, visit my website, that kind of thing. For this particular email signature, I did not make any reference for persons to schedule a consultation or anything. The most I said to them was, hey, let's find other ways we can connect. And here I'm just adding my social media icons. I'm going to be changing the colors. That is also in alignment with my branding, right? So like I said, just have fun, play around with it, make it your own. And of course, leverage all the elements. Go to the tab that says elements, search for what you want and make it your own. In the section that says elements, you can find your social media icons for any social media platform of your choice. And of course, you're going to select the element from the tab or the section that says graphics. Okay, because once you choose an element from the section that says graphics, you're more likely to change the color and just the overall, pretty much the color, and you can be a little bit more flexible with it, right? Another tip I also want to give you for creating your email signature is to make it mobile friendly design. And the fact that we're creating it in Canva, you absolutely don't have to worry about that. Believe me. So ensure your email signature looks good on mobile devices. Many people check their emails on smartphones, so responsiveness is crucial, right? Also, you want to test and optimize your email signature on various client emails and devices to ensure that it displays correctly. And you can make the adjustments as needed. So here, I'm going to leave you to keep watching the video and see how I bring this email signature to life with all the elements in Canva. Remember, your email signature is a small but significant part of your online presence. It's like a digital business card that can leave a lasting impression. And by following these tips and customizing your email signature with Canva, you can create an email signature that's both professional and aligned with your personal brand. Also, if you want more videos like this, of course, you're going to want to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. I hope you have been finding this tutorial quite helpful and that you're equipped with the knowledge and the inspiration you need to create your very own email signature in Canva that reflects your brand. Listen, one of the things about Canva is that it provides endless opportunities, inspiration, and also elements and features that you can leverage. One of them here being the photo editing tool, and pretty much I am using the different elements to create a more standout photo, and I'm using the shadows effect to make my photo stand out on this image, right? So you can explore different features like this on Canva, whether you have the pro version or the free version. But quite honestly, if you want unlimited access to all the different features, such as the resize tool, such as the different editing features and tools, and even just background removal, of course you're going to want to try Canva Pro. And you can try Canva Pro free for 30 days using the link in my description, and there you'll have access to endless amount of templates and all the elements, such as, like I said, the background remover, the magic edit tool, being able to create magic design, and all those things. All right, so go ahead, create something beautiful. Let your signature be a reminder of the amazing work you do and the brand you have built. All right, so leave a comment and let me know, did this video give you everything that you were looking for? And if you have any questions, of course, leave a comment in the box below.